previous session, we have implemented global filter. In this session, we shall implement pre-filter. Unlike global filter, pre-filter is applied to a particular backend service to which API gateway is forwarding the call. Now, for that purpose, in the API gateway, we need to do two things. One, we need to write the pre-filter which we are going to write. And second thing, where we configure this route, there we need to add the filter name. So let's do that one and give the filter name retail bank pre-filter. Now, as usual, we are making it component and SLF4J quickly, and then let me extend. In this case, the difference between global filter and pre-filter is that global filter implements global filter and ordered interface, but in the pre-filter we are extending abstract gateway filter factory. These things you note, and here we need to give, sorry, it should not be the retail bank, it should be the so we are implementing the apply method, and we shall write a static class called config. But I am getting the error, and this config class should return a string name. I think I made a mistake here. Oh, it should not be retail bank global filter, it should be retail bank pre-filter. So let me quickly change that one. So that's it. It should be retail bank pre-filter, and I have to write a constructor for retail bank pre-filter that will take the super.config.class, and that's it. So what we are doing, we are for a pre-filter, we are extending abstract gateway filter, and there we are creating a retail bank, that one, config class. Now let us implement the apply method. So it will return exchange a chain, and let me copy rest of the thing from the pre-filter itself, because the rest of the thing will remain same. And here I need to change those logs, and instead of this, let me give a new header value, say retail bank pre-filter, and here I give just retail bank application pre-filter. That's it. I think we copy the same thing and return this one, change filter exchange. So basically what we did, we are doing global pre-filter, we are extending abstract gateway filter, and we are creating an inner class called config within the pre-filter. Then in a constructor, I am giving the inner class, and we are implementing the apply method. So this is the thing you need to do for any kind of pre-filter that we are writing with Spring Cloud API Gateway. Only thing is that the way I means headers and all whatever we are setting, that we need to change. The structure will remain the same. So let me start it. It is started, and that's from the filter implementation side. So we have implemented our filter class. Now for our retail bank account application, we need to add this filter, or we need to configure this filter. You can see some error. I think this is a IDE error for me, so I'm just ignoring this one, and I am giving name. And what is the name of my pre-filter? It is retail bank pre-filter. Make sure we have given the @ component annotation, otherwise it will not be recognized and it will be difficult to find this miss. So retail bank account route, we are adding the filter pre-filters. Now with this, we completed the coding from API gateway side, and let us start it. So we did two things. We write our API in the API gateway, the pre-filter, and in the route for a particular backend application, that is retail bank account, we have added this filter also. Now we go to the retail bank account, and here we just add one more header. Just see whether we are getting this header or not. And just pre-filter header value is, and what is the header? Let's take it from there again. Retail bank account filter. That's it. Now let's build and start this application. Guys, you may find some reactive programming or lambda syntax here. Don't worry about that. Just go through it now. I shall come up with new sessions for those things. Basically this lambda, reactive programming, API security, all these things. Now let's clear all, and let me clear all the logs here also, and hit the oil converter. Okay, I think still circuit breaker is not activated, so let's go here again. Note, you should make the call through API gateway. Just note down my port 8222. I am not directly calling the backend service. I am calling it through the API gateway. Okay, I think circuit breaker is taking some time to react. Yes, it works. D2D circuit is open now, and if you can see this one, I am getting both the header value. So we are able to intercept our request to global filter as well as we have intercepted in pre-filter. So this is how we need to implement the pre-filter. Next session we shall implement post-filter, and we shall intercept the response instead of request. So that's for today. If you like this and if it helps you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.